Okay guys, I'm going to start cleaning my chicken and I'll show you guys how I clean my chicken. Okay, so it's been soaking in the vinegar and water, and I already rubbed the outside of it. So now I'm going to clean it inside, you know, take out all that fat and like blood and stuff that's inside. Yeah.
You look tired.
Just take your finger, put it in there.
I sleep fine. Because your conscience is clear.
A little.
We've had our eyes on you for quite some time, Kramer. Always
Look at all that.
admired you. No last thing to hear. You dedicated your entire life to helping others, which is highly admirable.
Okay.
But this latest move, getting thrown in prison to protect the shadows of
Clean the inside.
strict dedication.
I don't like all that nasty fat
Truth
and
is, a man like
blood
you
and
is
stuff that's in there.
Hypnosis is time to go. I don't know what you're working for.
Look at,
But in case I didn't tell you,
you guys can see the inside. Look at the inside. How it's getting clean. Look at that. All that nasty stuff in there. Clean all that out.
You answer the prayer of Lucas now.
That's why I don't buy fried chicken that much, because they don't clean their meat like how we believe they clean our meat. You know, I can't stand all that stuff. And I swear you bite into the chicken, you can see like in here all the blood and the fat still in there. That's why when I buy fried chicken, it's just the legs, guys. Legs are loose. Die and they don't clean it out. Rest they don't clean it out. So look at all that.
And then I heard your voice. It snapped me out of it. The same thing happened with Aileen and with the fire and today in the infirmary. Every time I get close to the edge, you pull me back.
What are you saying?
And I like to cut some of this
I didn't think I was strong enough to fight Rune's influence, but maybe with your help, I can be.
It has the gizzard
Stop.
part.
I hate
Clean the fat off of that too.
I'll stay forever.
And
You shouldn't have to
look at that. See that?
Hopefully she
All
won't
that
have
little
to.
fatty stuff on there. Look.
Do you remember when
Nice.
Ruth mentioned heavenly fire?
Clean all
Yeah, it's
that
what
off.
gave Michael's sword the power to purge demon energy.
What about it? The sentry who was
It's off. Look.
He said the words heavenly fire in Latin before he died. Alec and I asked Mom about it. And apparently it's the name of an off-the-books clave program. You think someone at the clave knows about Glorious? It's possible.
The neck. Clean off all the little. Arena, slow that TV a little bit for me. All those little fat off of it. Off the neck. See that?
Stop by.
In there.
See the place. Proud of you.
Thanks. It's really coming together, isn't it?
It's actually something I wanted to talk to you about.
What is it?
Maggie's got a little health scare. And he's okay. It's fine. But when it happened, it made me realize how much he means to me. That I can't.
That's what love is. I'm so happy you two found each other.
Me too.
And I'm gonna rinse it off with some hot water.
Family ring. I'm asked Magnus to marry me.
hot water. Wash this out because it's too greasy. I'm going to put it back in this container for when I season it up. Trying to get all that fat off of it. Oh, yeah. The chicken, but before I put back the chicken into the container, this is the inside of it. It's all cleaned out. Okay, it's all cleaned up, guys. Okay, all that little excess fat, the extra bell pepper and onion. Ooh, what's that? Where? Whole phone.
Get that thing fixed.
Because it burned my charger out. I couldn't even use my charger yesterday because. What are you talking about? You had my charger the other night in there. By the time I got it, yes, and that was yesterday.
No.
It wasn't working.
No.
Kaya, I don't even want to hear it.
Who used it?
It wasn't working with Andrew.
How wasn't working with him?
Okay. You never want to take responsibility.
Never.
Whatever.
Okay, guys, now I'm adding it to the chicken now. Okay.
So once that breaks and I get a new charger, y'all not using my charger. I'm letting y'all know right now. Mom,
Lord, please, you're not talking to me.
I'm talking to both of you guys.
Do you hear him talk? He needs to shut his little mouth up because he can't tell me what the hell he
You
doing
wanna
and
bet?
what he ain't
You wanna
gonna
bet?
do. You want to
Your
see
phone,
this night?
your phone break before mine.
Do you wanna feel it?
Nobody. Hey, what up? I'm not gonna sit this up.
Okay, keep on talking, one.
None of y'all not touching my charger.
Okay, anyway.
Cause your phone is burning all of them out. That's why it's not
My
working.
beans is soft. So I'm gonna just put my seasoned salt. Aurelia, can you please bring me a can of coconut milk? Let me wash my hands because oh, this is not. Seasoned salt, black pepper. We got some thyme. What's this? Okay. This is Italian seasoning. Parsley. We're gonna put the dried thyme in there. Okay. One more little pinch. Add the seasoned salt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dash. 8, 9, 10 dash. And black pepper. I like to put butter in my beans, guys. Okay, look at that. Like half a hot spoon of butter. That's right. So let me open this coconut milk. Half of coconut milk in here and the other half going into the milk, into the rice, I mean. Shoot. Okay. Then shake it. Half a coconut milk. Let me put a little bit of parsley in here. That's a pinch parsley. We're gonna let that cook down. Look all that good. It is smelling so good. Okay, I'm gonna put it on low. We're putting it on 4. Between, yeah, 4. Let me get the cover, the pot cover. I'm gonna let that cook down. I'll come check it in 10-15 minutes. Okay, I'm about to season my chicken. I have some paprika. Give it a nice color. Now, I season salt. Okay. And there too. And some New Orleans just seasoning. Okay. And I also have some onion. I have some onion and bell pepper in there also. And then black pepper. And then garlic and herb seasoning. In there. Yeah, we go. And just massage it in seasoning. I love this garlic and herb seasoning. Gives it that nice flavor. Let me put a little bit more of the paprika. And my little chicken. Okay. Season that up. Ooh. Yeah. And I send the kids to the store to go buy me a syringe so I can inject some garlic and butter into the turkey, and I will be putting it in the oven. Yes. So I will let that marinate for a while. Let me put this. Oh, guys, it's going to marinate for a while until they get back, and then I will make my garlic and butter to inject in my chicken, and we'll put it in the oven. Put these back. Paprika, my black pepper. Okay, so I will leave that and I'll be back. But before I leave, let me show you the chicken, okay? Yeah, it's all nice and red and all this seasoning on there. So, okay. I'm going to cover that and I'll be back. Now I'm going to make the butter and the garlic seasoning that I'm going to inject in my chicken. Okay. And spoon. And put it in the microwave to melt. Let me go put in the microwave. That's just the paprika from the seasoning. Okay, we're going to put this butter back. Let me show you guys. My beans it's done. Okay, I just put a little bit more butter in there, but it is done. Look at my turkey bone. Hold on. Okay, turkey bone. Look. Oh. My neck bone, turkey neck bone, my smoke turkey neck bone. Oh, God. I want a piece of it. That's good. What's my babe? I don't like my beans thick. Some people like their beans thick. I do not like my beans thick. Okay. The butter is already, it's done melting. I'm just trying to mix up this garlic in here so I can dissolve. Okay. Smash it to the side so it can be dissolved. Hey, always barking at something. What are you barking at? Coco. Coco Chanel. Stop. I'm not calling you for anything. I just want you to stop all that barking. Shoot. Okay. Stop all that barking. Okay. I'm gonna take out this little bit. That's hard because if I leave it in there, it's gonna get stuck in the syringe. So let me go get some more garlic because I love garlic. Sorry guys, I had to go and get me some water. I was thirsty. Okay. I like garlic. Let me just mix it. Oh, shoot. A little bit of my hand. I think that's enough. Hope they hurry up and come back. Okay. That's my garlic and butter. That is that. Okay, guys, I am going to. I just put that because I watched this and I like it. I'm going to start injecting the chicken. Oh shit. Okay, let's see if I. Mix it up again. Okay. Butter and garlic. Okay. Injecting my chicken. Okay, Andrew, I don't know where's that then. Hold on. Checking it out later. Okay. Check some in there. Huh? Check something. Oh shit, I'm gonna have to. Okay, I already preheated my oven. So, put it in there. Let's start going. We can have dinner. Cook it on late. In there. 365. Be back in an hour. Shoot. Okay, Kaya, move your body out of the way. We're going to check the heat. Give me one of the, Kaya, look in that drawer, give me the pot holder. You have the other one in your room. Give me the green one.
Which one?
Not that one though.
I'm using all of this.
Why you keep taking my pot
Why don't you hang this
holder?
up?
No. Why you keep taking my pot holder?
I didn't take your pot holder.
You got the other one. Oh God, I know. I can't even find the damn this or anything. Yeah.
It's right here.
Not that. The other one.
You better keep up with this. Oh, you probably threw it away, huh?
No, it's probably in somewhere with the other.
Yeah.
And you didn't bother to look?
No. Which
Sounds
one?
like I'm gonna buy another.
No. That one, the other one that I bought like that, the
Why does it smell like that salad?
Wow.
Like when you close
What?
it, it also smells like that salad.
Please.
no. No.
What you put inside it? You ain't gonna put nothing inside of it?
I got a girl, please. You think I got a girl, please?
God.
Shit is already late and I'm cooking dinner
What?
late.
Use that little turkey.
What charger? Did you buy a charger?
No, they didn't have none. It was like $14. I refused.
I paid $10 in mine.
Where?
Use that
Dollar
little
Jet, I'm
turkey.
Family Dollar.
Okay, that's right. It's the dollar because I was trying to take out something and it wouldn't let me try to take out something. Like, are you serious?
Okay. 30 more minutes and dinner should be done. We're gonna be eating late today. Cause I had to wait for this fan. You know what? I'm gonna leave that off for like the 10 minutes and then I'll come back. Ow, wow. I'll come back and see the top brown a little bit, and then I will be covering. So the rice is done. The beans is done.
You check early.
She's making a coleslaw. And okay, so you need to. Okay, I'm checking the chicken again.
It's in my office anymore, so I'll just say what I said you way back then. It's a mistake. A boondoggle.
Is it done?
Do you? A specific code. Madeline's favorite place at the quarry. You do this.
Nice
Come out.
and
Immediately
brown.
all over you. And
Oh, yeah, just let me check it.
You'll be crucified.
Jeez.
Forget about me. It's a gamble. I know that. Living in dreams.
Let's check, people.
Other people. Escape justice. It's not right.
Oh, God, look at that.
My blessing.
It came out so juicy. Oh, my God, look at that.
In everything I always
Let me see if I can bring this closer so you guys can see. Look at that. Look at that. Whoop, whoop. Put on plate.
No, I don't want that.
Oh,
These two.
what two?
These two sides.
The leg?
And the.
Hey, can we come in?
Yeah, I don't want
Yes, come on in.
The wing?
Yeah. For tomorrow.
Go to run out food down under. Okay. Look at that, people. It is so juicy.
That's his bomb.
Tastes good, huh? Look at that.
Juice or
Oh my God.
I'll make the chocolate.
Okay. So, let me take my plate out and I will show you guys my plate. Food is done. Stew beans and white rice, coleslaw, and baked chicken. Done. Dinner is served. Woo, can't wait.
more than one was reported to come in, but Anderson's just it was a mistake. There's something else.
This plate looks like it's a man eating it.
Look at that. This is really good.
It's really good. Look at this. All this good stuff on there.
Yep.
I made that.
Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in another video.